Chris Carey, Service Manager at Tony Graham Lexus, and I'm here to talk to you about tires. All-season tires, as you can tell by the tread, they're designed to be smooth, comfortable and quiet and provide nice wear throughout the summer months. These winter tires, as you see, they have a much deeper tread. They have more sipes, which is the little lines through the tires, which create a lot more traction. The winter tires also with the deeper tread allow some snow to stick in the tread, which snow on snow contact provides better traction as well. They're also designed, the rubber, to be softer and not freeze and not get really hard in the colder months. Whereas the all-season tires, by about 7 degrees Celsius, they start to get really hard, act more like a hockey puck sliding across the ice. You're going to be able to accelerate still okay with the all-season tires, but it's the braking power that you need the winter tires to help you with. Doesn't matter if it's front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive, the winter tires will provide you much more traction in the braking in a serious situation to avoid an accident.